Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aircraft Practical Maintenance. So in which I am posting videos and shorts for the aircraft practical maintenance. So today I will be covering one topic on Airbus A350. So we have the dispatch messages which can be seen when we go to the aircraft. So if we have any dispatch messages, so that dispatch messages has to be addressed. Either we have to perform the rectification or we have to invoke an MEL so that we can dispatch the aircraft. So today I will discuss that how the dispatch messages which are shown on the center upper display unit, so that can be brought to the onboard maintenance terminal or that can be brought to the OES when we are interacting the onboard maintenance terminal from the any onboard information system that is on the outboard display unit. So because we want to interact with that, what is that message, what is the fault. So you can see here the dispatch messages can be brought by the pressing the ECP. On the ECP, the dispatch key, then dispatch messages can be seen there. Now here you can see the dispatch messages which are shown on the upper center display unit. The upper center display unit, you know, we have four parts. So right two parts, the upper one is for the communication messages and the lower part is for the all the ECAM alerts. We have the different levels, level 1, 2, 3 and 0. So dispatch messages are level 0. And on the left side you can see the primary engine parameters, and also you can see the SD pages here on the lower left, like this part of the upper center display unit. So when we press the dispatch key on the ECAM control panel, then we can see any dispatch messages there. So if suppose we have a dispatch message, so I will be going to the OMT and select the menu button. From there I will select the sub bar. From there I will select the aircraft report, and aircraft report you can see we have the on the scroll down menu we have the active ECAM alert. So we have to select the active ECAM alert to bring this message from on this onboard maintenance terminal. So we can see that all these messages has come here which are displayed on the upper ECAM. So you can correlate here. So these messages are on the upper ECAM. Now they are shown here also. So in this we have the description of the message, and then we on the right we have two columns. First column is yes or no. If yes means that message is shown in the ECAM as well as shown here. Okay, otherwise you have to refresh if it's not yes to get if it is shown on the upper ECAM. And the second column we have the MEL, have hyperlink through which we can go. So by pressing the MEL hyperlink we can go to the AirNav dispatch, from where you can see this MEL, what is the applicable MEL. And let's just go back. Okay, so just see how we can get these messages. We can get the messages through the aircraft report, and from the aircraft report we have to select